If x squared minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0, then what is the value of x squared plus 1 over x squared? Alright, so we have x squared minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? If we eliminate negative 7x on the left-hand side, then that's going to be x squared plus 1 is equal to positive 7x. Now what we can do is we can divide all of this term by x. Then that's going to be x plus 1 over x is equal to 7, right? Now this form right here, x plus 1 over x, is very similar to x squared plus 1 over x squared. We know that binomial squared, let's say a plus b squared, is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? So if we have x plus 1 over x squared, then that's going to be x squared plus 2 times x times 1 over x, which is equal to, right? Plus 1 over x squared. So x plus 1 over x, that's 7 right here. So 7 squared is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared plus this term right here is equal to, because x cancels out, right? Therefore, 49 is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. X squared plus 1 over x squared is finally 47, right?